Stacy Parker. I'm an assistant professor of criminal justice.
What do you hope your students get out of the criminal justice program?
I hope what they get out of the program is the practical knowledge and the applicability of the knowledge that they received here. I have heard back from students. The courts class is one in particular that students tend to have difficulty with, but I have gotten word back from students already about how valuable that class was and how valuable they can see that is now. Everyone will have to go to court who works in the criminal justice system. I'm requiring students to attend court now, and they've gotten to meet judges, they've gotten to meet prosecutors, they've gotten to meet probation officers, and I think getting involved in their own communities and in the college community, that they have been able to take the knowledge that they've learned from books and apply it, and see that all of the things that the professors told them turned out to be pretty accurate. I think that would be very valuable.
What courses do you enjoy teaching the most?
I teach mainly courts and law classes. I have found that the classes where the students react the best are the classes that I enjoy the most. So going into each semester, the class that I may be most excited to teach may not be the class that turns out to be the best or the most successful. When students respond positively, I enjoy teaching the class better. And I'm finding that students respond more positively when they get to have more active activities, when they get to be more actively involved in the class, when they get to have more active learning opportunities to demonstrate and apply what they're learning in the class. So each of my classes, I'm trying to develop more and more of the active learning techniques that have been very successful in the classes before. In fact, this semester I've asked my students to help me to develop more active learning techniques that we can use as I teach the courts class, for example, every year.
What is something special that comes from your classes?
In that class in particular, right now, I have each student playing the role of prosecutor, judge, or defense attorney throughout different types of criminal proceedings. They are each presenting an arraignment and bond hearing, so someone will argue for what they think the bond should be, someone will be arguing against that person, and then the judge will have to make the ultimate decision. They also will be They are involved in plea negotiations based on some criminal acts that I have made up, some backgrounds and criminal backgrounds that I've created for them to work with. And their next hearing, they will argue over what they think the sentencing should be. So they'll be doing a sentencing hearing.